Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on attraction marketing for dummies. I actually just made a sale while I'm making some rice. So, hey babe, can you go check on the rice real quick? I just got a sale while making some rice, and my girlfriend's gonna go check on it real quick because I actually just got off of the phone with my new team member. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to do attraction marketing for dummies. And I'm actually going to make it very simple for you. I have over 10 years in internet marketing, attraction marketing experience. So here's the sale that came in at 7:42 p.m. It is 7:51 p.m. right now. So before we move on with this video, let's go to the earnings disclosure. No results are guaranteed. You will probably make absolutely $0 in every single affiliate marketing, network marketing, home business program that you ever join, because it takes hard work, skill, dedication, and the ability to never give up and always work on yourself and invest in yourself. So make sure to understand that no results are guaranteed, and if you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. Okay, so you can refer to the income disclosure for the program that I'm going to be talking about in this video. And so let's go ahead and move on. Again, I have just gotten a sale. I got a sale yesterday, the day before, and then not the day before, but the day before that, the day before that, the day before that, and then a few days before that. So I get some sales. Okay, so how do I do this? Again, earnings disclosure. Let's go to YouTube real quick. So how do I do attraction marketing for dummies? Well, what I do is I do a YouTube channel. Okay, so if we go here, we go to YouTube Studio, open that in a new tab. The way that I actually do attraction marketing is through YouTube. Why do I do YouTube? The reason I do YouTube is because it's the easiest content to create, very fast, and you don't have to edit videos. You just can make them, and they rank easy and get a lot of traffic. And also, people can see you, know you, like you, and trust you, and it builds a lot of trust. So it's really the #1 way to market. So this is my attraction marketing strategy, and I'm going to share with you exactly how I build my YouTube channel. So what I do is I go to YouTube, and I search for what I want to make a video about. So let's say I want to make a video about attraction marketing. Well, now I have a bunch of different topics we can make a video about. So you don't want to just make a video about attraction marketing. You want to make a video about one of these topics. So I don't even see it on here. For dummies. Okay? So I don't know how I found it, but I found it. So attraction marketing for dummies, right? So I'm going to try to rank up here on this page, okay? So let's go back home real quick. And so that's what I do, is I just find topics, or I just look for topics on YouTube, and I find the long tail keywords. So now, after we find the long tail keyword, what we can do is go to a tool called Ubersuggest, and we can go and paste that in there. And you can do this with the broad keyword if you want, but Ubersuggest gives you more keywords for you to use for your videos. So we're going to wait for Ubersuggest to load, okay? And then what I do is I go to a tool called Screencast-O-Matic to record the video. It's free. So after that, actually let's go back to Ubersuggest real quick. Okay, so we'll let it load for a second. Oh, here we go. Alright, maybe we'll have to give it a second. Okay, so basically, attraction marketing for dummies is looking for content keywords that people are searching for, and then creating content about those keywords and being able to do it very quickly and very easily. So if you're a brand new person in attraction marketing, you might want to stick to one platform. So rather than doing a bunch of different platforms like SEO bloggers and people that do rankings and Google and stuff like that, maybe just stick to YouTube or one platform and make videos or content on that platform. Okay, Reels are really popular right now too, so you can do short form video. but this is what I do. Okay, I find a keyword and I make a video about it and I post it on YouTube. Very simple. Okay, so again, let's go back to Ubersuggest. This has 20 searches per month, and we scroll down, we can see a bunch of different keywords. Attraction marketing for MLM, attraction marketing formula free PDF, attraction marketing examples, attraction marketing formula. We have the competition over here and the search volume. Okay, so it doesn't really matter like what the competition is. Just make a video on it. It doesn't matter. Competition does not matter. The searches don't matter. The competition does not matter. As long as it gets 10 searches or more, that's the only thing that matters. And then you just, so this you do not make videos about. Never make a video about this, but you can make videos about this. How to do attraction marketing on Facebook, right? Why attraction, oh, I guess that's not really the same. But yeah, does attraction marketing really work, right? There's another one right there. So those are keywords, and you can even use these as related keywords in your videos and stuff like that, in your descriptions. So now once I make my video, okay, so once I get my keyword, I'm going to go make a video with Screencast-O-Matic. So now that I got the keyword attraction marketing for dummies, I'm going to make a video on it, which is this video. So once I make this video and I click pause or done or whatever, or let it finish, it's going to go ahead and upload to my computer. Okay, so now what I need to do is upload it to YouTube. And what I do is I follow a very specific strategy for uploading my videos to YouTube. So what I did is I actually got HBA Premium for 2 weeks for free, and I learned how to do YouTube ranking. So attraction marketing for dummies, you can actually learn how to do this for 2 weeks for free, and this will take you through YouTube, right? So search engine optimization basics, YouTube channel strategy, YouTube channel setup. Okay, it's going to take you through everything, keyword research, video tools and equipment, 14 creation tips, bulletproof 4-step YouTube video formula, and a lot more topics. Okay, so it's going to really take you through how to succeed with YouTube with attraction marketing. And so that's how I do my channel. I follow this exact HBA Premium training, and that is how I get leads. That is how I get more traffic, how I build my channel. Okay, I'm actually hitting record-breaking leads in my business. I think I counted 17 leads today, and I just got a sale. So I'm getting way more leads. I'm getting more sales, and so things are really starting to kick with my channel. Now that I'm making a lot more videos on different kinds of keywords. Okay, so now rather than just making videos about different programs, okay, like this is a program, this is a program, these are programs, right? So rather than making program videos, I'm starting to make generic videos about you know, keywords like network marketing. Okay, so these are doing really, really well. My leads are starting to go up a lot now. So how do I do this? By following HBA Premium. And again, you can get this for 2 weeks for free. For free. Okay, so really, really cool. I highly recommend that you click the first link below to get HBA, and then you can also pick up Premium for 2 weeks for free. Okay, so that's attraction marketing for dummies. If you don't understand how to do attraction marketing after this video, you might want to rewatch the video because it's that easy. Okay, I upload videos to YouTube over and 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 over. Just like how you try to post 4 times a day on Facebook and no one cares about anything that you ever say. Well, that's what I do with this little camera right here. See this little camera right here? That's what I do with this little camera. Instead of Facebook quotes, instead of Tony Robbins quotes, okay? And people actually give a damn about what I have to say. Why? Because I'm putting myself in front of what they're searching for. And then I'm actually telling them how to do it. Okay, so very simple. I don't have a blog. I don't have anything. I have a funnel builder. I'm in a few programs, but I could be part of one program and it'd be fine. I don't really have anything. I have one $25 program, and I have an autoresponder, and I happen to add a few more tools like Click Magic just recently over time, right? So but really, I don't even need it. So that's how easy attraction marketing is. Upload keyword videos to YouTube, and then you need to go ahead and master YouTube with this training. Okay, so YouTube channel setup. The channel setup is very important as well. So it's not just upload a video now to your channel. You might actually need to make a new channel and go ahead and start to follow this strategy. So very, very important information on how to succeed with attraction marketing using YouTube. Now, another reason you should use YouTube is because this sale that came in without me even talking to this person until after they joined. Okay, after they joined, I said, hey, what's up, Bryce? How you doing? Welcome to the team. Do you have any questions? No? Okay, cool. Well, I went ahead and sent you your team document with your bonuses. Let me know if you have any questions, and that will help go ahead and also walk you through HBA as if I was there with you, and it also has my number, my email if you have any questions. Sound good? Okay, cool. Boom, that's it. And now I'm on to the next member, or now I'm on to the beach, or whatever. So, that's how simple attraction marketing is. Not that difficult. You're gonna go to YouTube, and let's say you're in a different industry like Amazon FBA. Okay? Amazon. Oh, whoops. Maybe you're an Amazon FBA. Maybe you're selling a course on Amazon FBA. Or maybe you're an affiliate for a course on Amazon FBA as well. So you're just going to type in Amazon FBA and make videos on all of these. Okay? Literally, that's it. That's all. And then let's do course. And then look, now you can do course, and then you can make a video on course for beginners, course review, whatever that is. UK, right? So, don't do the weird ones. Yes, those are weird. Yes, you are weird. Yes, you are weird. Yes, yes, you are weird. So, yes, there are weird keywords, okay? Now, that being said, if you make a video on that keyword, you're probably going to get a lot of traffic, but that's not the traffic you want. So, but yeah, just whatever industry, whatever you're doing, even if you're doing the 67 steps, Tai Lopez, Tai Lopez. Tai Lopez, you could do Tai Lopez videos on this, right? NFT, so it just, whatever you could, if you're in real estate, Grant Cardone is a master real estate expert. You could do Grant Cardone videos if you're selling real estate, okay? So that's attraction marketing. Very simple. Once you have an idea of what you want to make a video about that your audience is into, or just like affiliate marketing or network marketing, you put it in here, you get some suggestions, and you make videos on all those things. Okay? All those things. That's it. And then if you're not being found in your YouTube searches and by related videos, it's probably because you suck at setting up your channel and you suck at YouTube descriptions. So you need to go through this training to learn how I rank within seconds of posting my videos. So that's been Attraction Marketing for Dummies, my friend. I hope you got value from this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications for future videos on network marketing, attraction marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to be able to succeed with your business. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Go on and click the links down below. The first link will be HBA and how to get 2 weeks of HBA Premium for free so that you can actually just go ahead and start doing attraction marketing right now. Literally tonight, you can just go right now, get this 2 weeks for free, make a decision, and go through it right now. Okay? So that's the first link, and there'll be 2 other links One you can buy traffic, and the other one you can actually earn from your team. So have a wonderful day, my friend. Go and click the links down below, and I'll see you on the inside.